Salon Perfect pre-permed push-up lashes. So I'll kind of be reviewing that as well. So go ahead and stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and come back and see me again. Okay, so what I love about these lashes is that they come with 2 pair. Like, legit, I stay losing my lashes. So for the simple fact that they come with 2 pair, I'm already fucking with this brand. They're super light, they look natural, but still have a good weft of hair on them. Before I actually glue them down, I always like to kind of test it out first with no glue on them. And I place it on my eyes and try to make sure that the length matches. So for an adhesive, I'm going to use Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe vera. And this is probably my favorite because it actually has a wand, so you get a precise application. Now I'm going to go ahead and blow off because you want to make sure that the eyelashes get tacky, super tacky before you put them on. And then you're gently, carefully are going to start off by placing them in the middle and then seal down the edges. And I'm using tweezers. I see some girls use their hands. Some girls put on lashes and make it look like magic, but me, I'm all up in the mirror and I need my tweezers to kind of help guide me, because yeah, and even still they never look perfect, but this is how I put on my lashes. So I make sure that they're adhered super nicely and as close to my lash line as possible. So pretty much for the next lash, you're going to do the exact same. I'm using my Kiss adhesive. I'm placing that on the strip of my eyelash. You make sure that you get enough glue on the corners, because I've noticed with wearing falsies that they like to lift at the edges. So you want to make sure that you get enough glue on the edges that when it's tacky and you go to place it down on your eyelash, that they stick very good. Because you go outside and the wind starts blowing, they're going to rise, and it's just obvious you have on falsies when like the corners are lifting. So I'm gonna go ahead and place those on. I had a little bit more difficulty placing on the left eye, like I always do. For some reason, I have no idea, because like it's no different from the right eye, but I had to take it off actually and replace it back on. So just know that you're gonna make mistakes. It's all a learning process, honestly. I haven't been wearing lashes that long. So maybe a little bit over 2 years now I've been, experimenting with lashes, and I'm still learning. So this is where I'm at with my process. If somebody is wanting to learn because they're a beginner, this is the perfect video for you to watch. I also want to mention that this lash glue by Kiss is probably the best lash glue that I've used thus far. I have used plenty of lash glues and experimented because I was always having an issue with it lifting, but this lash glue is the best I have used thus far. So once you get your eyelashes on, you can adjust them to your liking. Some people like them like super like curled up or like pushed down. Like I like them to be like not too much, like not too extra. I always go for natural just because that's what I like. That's just my preference. I've seen some crazy lashes out there. Let me tell you, IG ain't never lie. But yes, ladies, this is my procedure and my routine on how I put my eyelashes on. I really hope I helped somebody out there that's struggling with eyelashes. I didn't go into like massive detail. I'm showing you exactly how I put on my lashes. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff, so I can keep punching out these videos for you guys. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I will see you back here soon.